guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a basic wing liner using liquid liner. If you guys want to see how, stay tuned. I have all my makeup on except for my eyeliner and mascara. Take an eyeliner pencil and line close to your lash line. I'm using a brown to give it some dimension. This would give you a guideline as well when you draw in your wing liner. I use the smudger to blend. This next part is optional. I take my coffee eyeliner, line from the outer corner of my eye to the center. With this copper eyeshadow, run it along the bottom lash line. This would create an ombre effect and it will set the eyeliner as well. Use a Q-tip to clean up, then take this chocolate eyeshadow and run it from the outer corner of the eye to the middle to darken the eyeliner. Take the copper color and blend the two colors together. Grab your favorite liquid or gel liner to do your wing liner. You can use a pencil, but for me, I like my wing liner defined. Remove any excess. I'm using the bottom lash line and the corner of my eyebrow as guidelines to draw in my wing. Decide how dramatic you want your wing and extend according to your eye shape and preference. I use my finger and gently tug on my skin just a little bit, but not too much because you don't want to create any wrinkles. This helps me get a nice clean line and I find it easier using your finger to help draw in your line. For me, it's easier to draw from the outer corner of your eye to the inner corner. I start around the halfway point of the line and start drawing in my triangle. Fill in your triangle. You want to make sure your wing liner goes from thin to thick. As I line the inner corner of my eye, I want to make sure it's not too thick. I do little strokes for control as I finish lining the inner corner of my eye. This step is optional. If you want a crisp line, take your concealer to clean up. Now I'm showing you another way to do your wing liner. Use the top of your ear as your guideline and draw your wing. Once the wing is drawn, start around the halfway point of the line and draw in your triangle. Do little strokes as you fill in the rest of your eye. Fill in and touch up wherever it's necessary. Then I clean up with concealer. Let's say you accidentally made a mistake. All you need to do is draw your line a little bit thicker, like this. Make sure it goes from thin to thick. I finish off with lash primer mascara, of course. You want to apply the primer first, then immediately apply the mascara while the primer is wet. The primer helps with clumping, length, and your mascara goes on so much better. Then I apply another layer of mascara to make it look full. Here's what it looks like. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and comment down below. Other than that, don't forget to have fun, be creative, and I'll see you next time.